Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. His Excellency Chao Shiron, Consul General of China, Mr. Nazir Hussain, President Pak China Joint Chamber of Commerce and Industry, Mr. Asim, Mr. Mahmood Arabi, Commercial Ambassador Pak China Joint Chamber of Commerce and Industry, ladies and gentlemen, distinguished guests, Assalamu alaikum and good afternoon. It gives me immense pleasure to join you all today at the Pak China Love Festival 2025 Trade Expo, an event that not only celebrates the timeless friendship between Pakistan and China, but also reinforces our shared commitment to economic cooperation, cultural exchange, and sustainable development. Ladies and gentlemen, the friendship between Pakistan and China is not diplomatic. It is a relationship deeply rooted in mutual respect, trust, and shared vision for peace and prosperity. For over 7 decades, our two nations have stood by each other, and our friendship has always withstood the test of time. We proudly call our bond higher than the Himalayas, deeper than the oceans, and sweeter than the honey. This enduring partnership has translated into concrete progress, from infrastructural development to trade, technology, education, and beyond. One of the greatest manifestations of this friendship is China-Pakistan Economic Corridor, a flagship project under the Belt and Road Initiative. CPEC has opened new avenues for connectivity, industrial growth, and regional trade integration, turning Pakistan into a vital hub of regional commerce. Ladies and gentlemen and distinguished guests, as the Finance Minister of Punjab, I would like to emphasize that under the dynamic leadership of Chief Minister Punjab, Maryam Nawaz Sharif, the government of Punjab is working closely with our Chinese friends to further enhance collaboration in diverse sectors, including agriculture, industry, technology, urban development, and green energy. We are committed to creating an investor-friendly environment that encourages Chinese companies to expand their operation across Punjab's industrial zones and special economic clusters. Punjab's partnership with Chinese enterprises is already yielding visible results, from modern infrastructure in our cities to joint ventures in manufacturing, renewable energy, and information technology. Every step we take together brings our people closer and strengthens the economic foundation of both our nations. The government of the Punjab is also deeply grateful to the Consul General of People Republic of China in Lahore and the Pakistan-China Joint Chamber of Commerce and Industry for consistently promoting bilateral trade and cultural harmony. Their role in hosting this 2-day festival deserves special appreciation. This platform provides an opportunity for entrepreneurs, investors, and innovators from both sides to engage in a meaningful dialogue and explore new dimensions of partnership. Distinguished guests, the Park China Love Festival symbolizes not just business cooperation, but a celebration of friendship, a friendship that has withstood the test of time and continues to thrive on shared values and mutual aspirations. Through such initiatives, we aim to deepen people-to-people contacts, promote cultural understanding, and showcase the rich potential of joint ventures that can ensure progress for both Punjab and China. The Government of Punjab firmly believes that our future lies in collaboration, in building bridges of trade, technology, and trust. As we move forward, we envision a Punjab that is economically vibrant, globally competitive, and deeply connected with our Chinese partners through inclusive growth and shared prosperity. In the end, I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to the organizers for arranging this beautiful event that showcases businesses, culture, and friendship under one roof. Let this Park China Love Festival be a testament to our unbreakable brotherhood and a stepping stone towards a brighter, stronger, and more prosperous future for our people. Long live Pakistan-China friendship. Long live the partnership between China and Punjab. Thank you.